Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect with Binance's NFT ecosystem. Connecting your digital assets to the Binance platform or its underlying blockchain, the BNB Smart Chain, is a straightforward process. We will explore the essential steps to link your wallet, ensuring you can seamlessly engage with non-fungible tokens. This guide will help you prepare for buying, selling, or managing your unique digital collectibles with confidence and ease. To connect your wallet to the Binance NFT marketplace, first, log into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate and click on the NFT section. From there, you will typically find a user center or deposit option, which will guide you to connect your external wallet. You can choose popular options such as MetaMask or use Wallet Connect for a secure link, allowing you to manage your NFTs directly on the marketplace. Interacting with NFTs directly on the BNB Smart Chain, formerly Binance Smart Chain, requires configuring your digital wallet like MetaMask to this specific network. This allows you to connect with various decentralized applications and NFT platforms built on BSC. Remember to hold a small amount of BNB tokens in your wallet, as these are necessary to cover the network transaction fees, often referred to as gas, for any on-chain activities. Once your wallet is connected, you can deposit NFTs to Binance. You will need to paste your NFT's contract address for verification, ensuring it is a supported asset. After verification, confirm the deposit transaction through your connected wallet, which may involve a small network fee. Your deposited NFTs will then appear in your Binance NFT User Center, where you can manage them, list them for sale, or withdraw them as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.